Pandak boss. Okay na sir. Pandak boss. Shout out idol. Parang malaksin sila. Okay na sir. Sabi ni Ma'am Sos de Guzman from Calvert. Sabi ni sa Edsikay. Pandak boss. Shout out. Ano to? Paul, paripus. Parang natawa ng kolego tayo. Pa-shout out po. Sir Justin, Pandak po ba or Malinaw? Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung pipiliin ko.
Yan, magandang gabi po sa ating sponsor for tonight, si Sir Harry Jake Forteza. Yan, ng Barangay Lucab Sur. Yan, magandang gabi po Sir Harry Jake, and happy watching po all the way from California. Yan. Mega shout out po kay Sir Harry Jake. Salamat po sa pag-sponsor po sa team ng Barangay Tambak. Nakapoy. Aliwaya. Kapoy ko na. Gasgasan. Okay mo. Magano rin sa Panda. Magano? Hindi. Hindi, no niya, hindi. Baga kasi, ang baga
Tambak, sana manalo. Good luck. Madalas kada bag. Sabi ni Sir Justin Benvilla. Shout out po. Sir Paul Ferrer. Shout out idol. Ryan Oligo ng CTG Barang. Salamat. Sir Paul Ferrer.
Yan, pa-share na lang po ng ating live para masuportan rin po ng ibang kabaranggayan po natin dito po sa maglalarong barangay, sa Barangay Tambak versus po sa Barangay Kabaldatan. Yan, napakagandang laro po ito mga idol, kaya please like and share po ng ating live, and don't forget na i-follow na rin ang ating page. Yan, si Pitik ni Paul, para lagi po kayong updated dito po sa palaro ni Sir Philip Tadeus Dumantay, ang ating game commissioner for this event, King Philip Basketball Tournament Season 3. Yan. So, shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood sa akin for tonight. Please, pa-react naman po ng ating live para maganda po. Yan, shout out po kay Justin Ventinilla, yan, ng Barangay Bulawit. Ang ating solid na follower from Barangay Bulawit. Yan, si Idol Justin Ventinilla. Shots, palubat ako yan.
Shout out mga idol, makabak tayo sa live ni Motokit ngayon. Wala pipitaw ang matapos. Siyempre, susunod yung team namin, Team Lupa. Yan.
Team Lupa.
Sa lahat ng followers ni Motokit. Alright. Hindi mo sasabi. Correct. Sir Romel Padilla, shoutout idol, lagi akong nakapupot sa mga live from Bumar. Sir Romel Padilla, siyempre, shoutout na rin po sa lahat ng taga-barangay Bumar. Hanggang sa rin po natapapangalan mo sa mga idol. Shoutout kay Edwin Tuyanen.
Okay, continues to the moving sa Barangay Tambak and Kabaldatan on third game for tonight's third game, Barangay Tambak versus Kabaldatan. This is a reception of the moving. On the first five with both teams, pasok na lang kayo sa gitna ng ating court.
Sige, nakin o. Hindi o, marami lang o. May pustahan ko yun.
And now let's start from the first period.
Bakbakang Tambak versus Kabaldatan. Anyong sa'yo, Ma'am Cesty Gasper. Siyempre, binabati ko po rin po ang inyong kumare na si Ma'am Shirley Boy Nelson ng Barangay Calvo.
Now let's start on the first period. Battle from the jump ball of Alcantara and Cereza. Top by Barangay Tambak. Alcarado to Refugia. Refugia now. Inside pass. That is a block. The guy on Refugia again. No good. Pass break. On Doria. That is a block. Balik. Starting to play on the Campo now. On the side, that is a no good. Defensive rebound on Refugia. Ibigay naman on Cortez. Cortez now. Iiwan on Cortez. That is a no good. Put back on Alcantara. That is a nice put back on Alcantara number 6. Dito kulit. Single tayo on Tropang Cubs. This time on the Campo. Campo ngayon. Inside pass. Natapik. Mapupulot. Then there is a kick ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. The guy on Noria. Inside pass at libre doon. That is Cereza 2 points. Refugia now number 55. Refugia Bren. Inside pass on Alcantara. Alcantara looking for the receiver. The task number 14 back to Refugia. Cortez naman on jersey number 8. No good. Defensive rebound by Campo. This time on Doria 2. The guy. No good. Alcarado. Pero mapupulot the Blazers para sa Abugatan. Campo now number 26. That is no good. He finds this good on number 20. That is again the Campo. Campo pa rin nilapit. That is a basket for the Campo. 6-2, official score. Now on contest number 8 to Refugia. Almost still, but Rias naman. Rias pa rin. That is a short. Refugia 2. Contest. That is a basket from contest number 8. Doria through Campo. Fires it today, and that is a 3 points on jersey number 26 on the Campo. Cortez, Lasin Campinar, no good. Then single, that is a single.
Nasaan ka po yan eh?
Oy, libre isa!
Kaya number 6. Wala pa rin ang gawin grupo. Ayun. Napalit number 8. Wala pa rin. Nabibulang para kay Cereza. Binigay kay Clyde Ocampo. Ocampo, sulit ang play. Ay, ang ganda ng pasa para kay Ria. Ochul. Jersey number 14. Kinalawa. Basket. Basket down. For number 24. And 1. Para kay number 14. Okay, substitution red. Si Lido, papasok. Replacement number 13. Bonus shot. This basket.
11-7 po, mangyayang po ng barangay Kabaldatan.
Trias. City to play. Trias pinugulit. Pasa sa ilalim. Dangag po. Nakagano foul. Foul on number 18. Pushing foul. And a 2 shots. Barangay Ocampo.
11-7 po lamang po ang barangay Kabaldatan.
First floor by Ocampo. Is tied.
Pero nakapulong sila. Happy watching po lang sa inyo. At sa mga season po yan.
Second throw is basket. Ayan si Clyde. Sa veterans player ng Kabaldatan. Ilang player yan dito sa Malasigi. Pinugulit pasa sa lalim. Masyadong mababa. Sebo sa Griffin de Guzman. Substitution tayo. Doria papasok. Replaced by number 20. Inland inbound. On the baseline, Alcantara looking for the receiver. Galido ang tatanggap ng number 18. Starting the play, Cortez. Sila naging Cortez ng number 14. Libres and rest. There is the Dewey Barnes of number 14 on Cortez. This time on Doria. Kinukulit on Cortez. That is still Cortez. Up and take away. Bigay naman. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you.
So, Placido. Placido, ang best player ng barangay Asimis. Isang naman siya.
This time on Galido, number 18. Galido now. The last touch para sa Kabaldatan. Okay, para sa mga players ng Barangay Tabak, usap po kayo ng konti sa bench ninyo. The sign on Jesus Play Hagal almost that he tried hands and number 24, that is a basket on number 24. That's Cerezo. He leads it out, number 18, si Cortez. Back to Alcantara. Nilipat si Alcantara para sa low basket. Bola na pupunta. Time out para sa tropang Kabaldatan. Number 18, Galido. This time back to number 18, that is Galido. Starting a play, the guy on the future on the side. Fires the three, and that is the 3 points on Reputa, jersey number 55. This time starting a play on Doria. Doria ngayon. That is still on number 18, Galido. Up and away. That is a basket that nagpagsabit pa ng foul on jersey. Basket count at Canards say foul on number 4. That is a guilty on the pushing foul para kay jersey number 4.
Sino yung nagbabaga? Ayan mo na yan.
There is a no good on the bonus free throw of Lido. This time on Doria. Starting a play, the guy of Campo. That is a no good for today. Bolilan to number 11 on Morales. Fires Salante, no good. Saves. Mapumulat. Sakto. That is the top for 2 points. This time on number 18 on Guido. Starting a play, Guido pa rin. Drop pass, that is a 2 points on Bulinan. Ocampo to Doria. The guy on the side, Doria. But there is a double foul on Jersey. Double foul on number 55 para sa Barangay Tambak on Refugia. On number 26 para sa Barangay Kabaldatan on Ocampo. Okay, control of the Kabaldatan. That is a single tayo. Single. Baseline on inbound on number 24. That's Cerizo. That connects a foul on Jersey. Number 9. And number 29. That is Alcantara. That is your first personal foul. Ocampo, nakadaan pa 2 points sa Ocampo. The guy, Morales, that is a no good, pero nasita. Symbol tayo, there is a symbol on the orange shirt para sa Barangay Tambak. 2 minutes and 1 second. That is a no good on Alcantara. A backward rebound. Okay, we have a foul on Jersey. On Jersey number 26, that is a guilty on the pushing foul. That is your second personal foul on the Campo, number 26. Substitution, please. Refugia at the baseline. Morales nagpatanggap. Morales number 11 to the plate. Gilida. 8 seconds to shoot. But is still again. Pero may connection ng foul. That is an earlier connection foul on jersey number 14. We have a penalty situation. There is a penalty situation. 3 shots. There is a 3 shots on Alcantara number 29. First row, there is a basket on jersey number 29 on Alcantara. This time for the second free throw. On the second row, there is a no good defensive rebound. Doria now setting a play, the guy on Doria to Cerezo. Back to Doria, slashing. That connects the foul on jersey. Number 55. That is your also second personal foul and guilty on the personal foul substitution. First right, there is a basket on number 14 on S.P. Sherman, Noria. Yung Barangay Kabugatan this time for the second free throw. Too strong, goes back, he finds the number 24 on the perimeter jumper. Now number 18, Gilido, to number 29, Alcantara. Iwan para kay Gilido. Nakadaan ng Gilido, that is a 2 points. 23-20, Diesel score and 3-point lead this time para sa Barangay. No good. Bola mapupunta para sa Barangay Tambak. Dito na number 18, strongly guarded. That's a foul on number 14. That is your second personal foul on S.K. Chermagoria. That is a blocking foul. Arm bar. That is a good goal there. Hondoria.
Parang San Miguel and Ginebra lang naglalaro din idol.
Strongly guarded on Liga. Bigay naman ang SK German. 48 seconds. Bigay. But it's still for Lina Liga. Pick the way to find John Liga.
Lamang na po ang isang Barangay Tambak. Change favor na po tayo mga Pinoy.
35 seconds. 30 seconds. There is an elbow on the 3. 27 seconds. Gilito now on number 18. Gilito pa rin. Inside pass. 20 seconds. Doya. Pass break on Cerezo. To find John Cerezo. 10 seconds. Diaz. On Diaz, number 0. Gilito, number 18. 5 seconds. Gilito. No good. And that's the end of the first period. 25-24 our official score. And 1 point lead para sa Tropang Kapulgatan. Back to the ball game on the second period. 25-24 our official score and 1 point lead para sa Tropang Kapulgatan. That is a good for 3. Gilido pa rin, Biniscate on Gilido. It breaks at the ass from bola. That is a 2 points at number 18. A beautiful shot on Gilido. This time on the campo, number 21. Inside pass to another campo, number 26. Tapitan, number 7 on Alcarado. Alcantara naman. Pero may foul na sumabit ang jersey. Number 21. Design Alcantara to Diaz. That is a no good of Diaz. Pass break. Pero hindi namatan Diaz. 7 minutes and 21 seconds. Design on number 18. Gilido ngayon. Starting a play on Gilido. Gilido pa rin. Inside pass Alcantara for 2 points is good. 28-25 ang ating nasa talaan, 3 puntos. Change table tayo para sa Barangay Tapak. Ocampo, di diretso. Pero may gunan siya ng foul in jersey. On number 29, there is a hacking foul on number 29. That is your second personal foul on Alcantara on jersey number 29. First throw on Ocampo, that is a no good. This time for the second free throw. This time on the second free throw of number 26 on Ocampo. That is a basket. There is a split charity on his free throw. We lead now on number 18. So the state age. The time of play, Alcarado. Looking for the receiver. Diaz naman. Diaz. For the long two. That is a basket on Diaz. 13-26. Bante na sa 4 na puntos. On Barangay Tambak. Ocampo number 26. Fires the three. No good. Alcantara naman ang number 29. That is a basket na kadaan pa.
Gwapo mo.
Doon si number 29 ang Alcantara.
Parang las.
This time, turn it on jumper on the perimeter. That is a basket on Cerezo. Alcarado on jersey number 7 on Mr. Rodal Alcarado. Bigayo at Gilido. That is a basket. That is assist. Coming from Alcarado. 2 points is good. Bubelo o Campo na kawala naman 2 puntos para kayo Campo. Alcantara. Alcarado. No good on Alcantara. Frias. Saktong-sakto on Frias. 2 points on Frias. Gilido number 18. Inside pass, but still. Frias ngayon. Bigay on the side. No good. Frias sings the ball again. Frias friend. Bigay on Ocampo. Ocampo. That is offensive foul on jersey number 26. Substitution. Sige, pakitawag ang inyong papalitan. On Gilido, Alcantara. Diaz is out. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Nasa ikalawang period pa lang tayo. On contest number 14. Bigayon Cortez on the middle. That is a basket on jersey number 8. Now on the Campo. Ocampo to Lacuata this side, Bigay on the side, lalapit ang Cerezo, harap-harap yan. Cortez this time on number 8, Cortez. That is how fancy foul on jersey. On jersey number 20 by Lakwata. Lakwata setting the play. And then Prias Labuk. Rebound. At the pick. And it down. Rebound back to Prias. Prias to the Scotland. Now the power. And the foul on jersey number 7 by Alcarado. Sabak. Timeout on Barangay Tambak. Official score 36-32 in favor of Barangay Tambak. 4-point lead. Then remaining time 4 minutes 21 seconds on the second quarter. Okay, back to the Rogan. And ball by Sarisa. And the seal on jersey number 10. As the basket again. Doria. And the save goes to Prias. And the foul, Syriza. And the foul on jersey number 55. Sabret. Another sub. And bound on Syriza. Even up on Doria. Ocampa. Fires for 3. Back. 3 points. And bound on jersey number 6. Bound on jersey number 14. Cortez given up by Alcarado to Alcantara. Nice 2 points on Alcantara. Syriza given up on Doria. Doria back on Ocampa, launches for 3, shot, and the rebound on Cortez, fouled by Alcantara. Alcarado, that's your troubling violation. Official score 40-35, 5-point lead on Barangay Tambak. And Sarin Brown given up on Doria, pass on Syriza, back on Doria. Doria, headed by Prias, then Ocampo, Atara. And then foul, headed by jersey number 25. Sabret, Alcarado out, replaced by jersey number 18, Galido. Then Ocampo from the 15-point line. First, lucky bounce. Second 2 out of 2 by Ocampo. Cortez down the ball. Setting the plate. Looking for Timmins. Given up on Galido. Followed by jersey number 8. Back on Galido. Fake. Little pass. And then Alcantara rejected by Syriza. Pass break by Prias. Supply. And the foul number 11 on Doria. Cortez pa rin. Straight, give it up on Cortez. And then Faith Galedo have the trophy. Back on Cortez. Launches for 3. Not good. Kala with rebound on jersey number 6. And see 2 points. Doria. Followed by Prias. Prias down the ball. And then Doria. Not good. Number 25. Ayan, kinukulit. Bigay naman on Gilido. Inaharas, Gilido pa rin. Pasa sa ilalim, bigay naman Alcantara at Agawan. Doria for the steal. At Doria and then Black. Number 25 headed by jersey number 8. Lebre sa 3. Not good. Rebound again. At ayan. That's a foul on number 24. That is a hacking foul. Timeout para sa team ng Barangay Kabulgatan. Back to the ballgame, 2 minutes and 4 seconds on the time remaining. This is a 5-minute second period penalty situation. Right there is a penalty. 2 free throws on Cortez jersey number 8. First throw, there is a basket from Cortez. This time on the second free throw. There's a big defensive rebound. Laguata Victoria. Guy inside. Diaz. That is a basket on Diaz, number 30. One minute and 48 seconds. Benita starting a play on the side. Cortez, that is a sword for 3. That he connects a foul on number 25. That is Bulila. Penalty situation also. Both teams are in penalty now. Second personal foul on Bulila, number 25. 2 free throws on the Campo jersey, number 26. First throw, that is a basket from jersey number 26. This time on the second free throw. That is a no good. Mapupulit pa rin. Campo, fires from 3. Defensive rebound, Alcantara, Gilido on number 18. But we have a foul on number 20. Penalty, substitution. 1 minute and 33 seconds. That is your first personal foul on jersey number 20 on Laguata. First is a no good, this time for the second free throw on Liga number 18. Strongly guarded, Doria, 2. The guy at the side, Lapuata. That is a too strong for 3. Pass break naman, Morales. No good. Defensive rebound. Now number 2. The guy on Trias on number 3. Trias pa rin. Setting a play. Trias. Atake. Inside pass. And good shot is good. Kasama pong foul on jersey. On jersey number 6. We have a substitution. Resolved on jersey number 6. 1 minute and 1 second. That is a basket. They call the coach of Barangay Tabak. Lapit po kayo sa table, sir. Okay, we have a technical that is a sportsman-like behavior for number 29 on Alcantara. Pumasok ng hindi nakatakin. And now we have a technical free throw and technical free throw. For the technical throw. Okay. Alcantara number 29. That connects 8 foul on jersey. On number 4, that is a happy foul on jersey number 4. That is his second personal foul. (14-5-43).
Mar, laro mo lang, Mar.
Alright,
46 seconds on the time remaining. We have a 2 free throw. First throw, that is a no basket. This time for the second free throw. No good. Now number 2, the guy on the Campo now. Lasing Campo, that is a no good. 35 seconds. Cortez sa number 8. Pero nabitawan. Dalawa na ang kabuldagan ng the backcourt. Defines his good. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Angelina, inside pass. That is a block. That is a lane violation. Same ball pa rin tayo. That is a same ball. 13 seconds. That is adding time remaining. Only 13 seconds. 5 seconds. Ocampo nakadaan basket count at may kasama pang foul para kay Jersey. On number 18, he cannot foul Angelino. That is his second personal foul, Angelino. Five seconds at the time remaining. And now take the bonus free throw on the Campo jersey number 26. Usog yung mga bata ng Monty dyan. Ang darang mag-hold yung manay. No good. And that's the end of the second period. 49-43 official score. Lakang ng tropang kamundatan. Ang may ugugaw, kasi kami ang medyo na gili-gili. Usog pa kayo ng konti. court inbound. Same ball tayo. Man-to-man defense.
49-45 naman.
Doria. Ocampo.
51-45 lamang po ang
Gilido may tangan na bola, bigay kay Cortez. Now to Cortez, Alcantara fakes, Alcantara. Uy, 2 points. Ocampo ngayon, double team, Doria. Frias, Jose. 54-47, Refugia Bumuelo. Nice finish. 54-49, outlet pass. Tambah basketball.
Clifford, shout out.
Triple yan.
Nong yang ada motor mo, i-atras mo yung taser. Baseline inbound, Alcantara to Cortez. Cortez back to Alcantara. Reverse. Partially block. Cerezo. Now to Ocampo. Ocampo to Doria. Doria ball fake. Left hand to Blue. For 2. Woi, agaw. Doria is a pass to Ocampo. Ocampo libre. Woi, sayang. Gilido ngayon. Nagmamadali. Gilido pa rin. Gilido. Kabulkatan calls for a timeout. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Grabe, napakaganda po ng sagutan ng between Barangay Tambak at Barangay Kabulkatan. Sagutan po ng points.
Ada tayo motor ya, mau sarap to di atras tayo. Yang Formula 1 tricycle nong. Back to the ball game. Kabulkatan basketball. Ada tayo bugaw di tanah postiring nong Kabulkatan. Frias outlet pass. Ocampo. 2 points. Alcantara now. Gilido. Fires a three. Using the gas. 3 points. Another outlet pass. Ocampo ngayon. Babawi. 2 points. Cortez now. Dribbling the ball. Crossover dribble. Kick out pass to his brother Cortez. Not this time. Battle for rebound. One by Alcantara, and there's a foul. Called on number 14. Guilty of a holding foul. Substitution. Lakwata. Doria, that's your third personal foul. Side court inbound. Alcantara finds Refugia. Spins Refugia, slices the middle. Left-handed lane for 2. Frias, Jose, Kapos. Cortez, fumbles. Cortez, recovers for 2.
So na lang po, kalamangan ng Barangay Kabulkatan. Grabe.
Baba sa isa. Out of the score. There's a foul.
Grabe, grabe.
Foul on number 2.
Magyo-gyo sa lima.
Foul, substitution. Doria is replacing.
Sa final sa
Doria.
King Philip.
Time out, Barangay Tambak. 5 minutes, 25 seconds remaining, third period.
Balik ka gabi sa shout out po kay Sir Harry Jake Corteza, yeah. Ang sponsor, nag-sponsor po ng Barangay Tambak. Yeah, shout out po sa inyo Sir Harry Jake at magandang gabi po.
Cortez first is good. Cortez second. This leg was good.
Gamang na naman po ang Barangay Tambak. Wala, libre lang mo.
Rias. Good. Gilido to Refugia. Refugia inulit.
Result. Left-handed shot coming from Refugia.
Si Guzman ngayon, bigay kay Ocampo, tightly guarded. Ocampo, Portray, Ratosal, rebound Gilido. Gilido ngayon. Gilido pa rin. Refugia.
Napakaganda moves coming from Refugia.
First shot, no good. Alcantara face. Foul on
Grabe, kay Gayan, bago yun.
Hacking foul. That's it. Third personal foul.
May waya, manggigil, ay may gana-gana. Sa manggigil na siya.
Alcantara first.
Sayang.
Second throw is going out. Nakuha pa rin. Another foul is called on number 4. Hacking foul. That's your third personal foul.
Effort naman eh. Shoot mo kulot. Yun o.
First row is good. Second row, 2 out of 2. Doria to Cerezo. Now to Frias. Frias libre. No good. Cerezo. Capos. Cortez rebound. Now to Refugia. Refugia pa rin. Refugia. Tugilino Hansen.
Grabing bali naman yun. Coming from Gilido, number 18. Grabe, gandang moves.
Doria ngayon. Uli. Cortez. Foul called on number 3. Holding foul. That's your first personal foul. Substitution. Lakuata, papalitan ni Pasuki. Alcantara, papalitan si Refugia.
70-63 ang ating score. Side court inbound, Alcantara. Gilido signaling the play, goes to Cortez. To another Cortez, back to Kuya. Alcantara, no good. Battle for rebound, ball goes out of bounds. Kabulatan basketball. Dorian ngayon. Rias may tangan ng bola. Rias kinukulit ni Cortez. Rias pa rin. Ball fake. Tambak basketball.
Boss, letter ko. Siyempre.
Gilido inside pass. Alcantara. Hey, sorry miss. Pass break. Rias. Nugget. Cortez now. Cortez pa rin. Cortez. Alcantara. Gilido for two.
Bang yun mga idol.
Gilido ngayon. Gilido spins. Ay, abang natipanir. Doria now. Doria Fabers racing for two.
Ayang.
73-65. 2 minutes 57 seconds in the third period. Cortez to Alcantara. Alcantara. Gilido libre. Pasukin now. Bigay kay Frias. Frias crossover dribble. Drives to the baseline. Reverse. Tapal. Frias. Good. Tambak basketball. Substitution. Morales is replacing Gilido. Alcarado is replaced Cortez. Ay! Sa Jordan lang. Upo muna, upo. Live ball tayo. Cortez. Side step. Apal. Tereso. Nakagawa ng lollipop. Cortez. Too strong. Ball goes out of bounds. Kabulatan basketball. Substitution. Salinas. Papalitan si Frias. Hey! Unforced error. Turnover. Tambak basketball. Baseline inbound. Alcantara. Hey, tumama sa pa ni Alcarado. Bola ng kabultatan. Seraso. Clyde ngayon. Dribbling the ball, receives the screen. Clyde fires a three. No good. Cortez double team. Nakagawan. Seraso reverse. Tapal. 12 seconds to shoot. Baseline inbound. Clyde for three, no. Alcantara high rebound, outlet pass, 3 against 1. Alcarado, ball kick, drop pass. Easy two.
Sampu na po ang Kalamangan.
Sa 10 ang Kalamangan ng Barangay Tambak. 75-65. Doria triple team. And he is fouled. Foul on number 17. Holding foul. That's your first personal foul. And first team foul. Next game, please get ready. Barangay Lupa versus Barangay Alakan. Doria. Substitution. Lakwata. Papalitan si Pasukin.
Yan, shout out po kay Sir Harry Jake. Magpapa-Jollibee daw po siya pag nanalo po ang Barangay Tambak. Yan, salamat po Sir Harry Jake. At mabuhay ka po hanggang gusto mo.
Cortez signaling the play. Morales Rodriguez. Not this time. Foul on number 29, blocking foul. That's your third personal foul, second team foul. Cerezo Tudoria. Ocampo, against Alvarado. Ocampo drives, no good. Substitution, Alcantara is replaced by Ripuja. Baseline inbound. Salinas, Tudoria, Boving, Toria. Oi, guapo mas. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 75-67. Rifuja. Fumbles, recovers. Morales Bugui, elbow. Lakwata ngayon, Lakwata. Luces Dialdo. Tambak basketball. Substitution, Doria papalitan ni Prias. Substitution, Diaz papalitan si Morales. Rifuja, Alcantara balik ke Rifuja. Rifuja,
Ay, grabe naman yun.
Buhos. Lakwata, tight ligada, cross court pass to Prias. Prias fumbles, Salinas, libre. 40 seconds remaining. Diaz ngayon. Diaz nakalusot. Ay, kapal. Salinas ngayon, bigay kay Lakwata. Lakwata to Cerezo. Cerezo. Ocampo. Drives. Ocampo nakawala. Lazy. Sablay pero may foul. Foul on number 6. Hit on the head. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Ocampo scores is good.
77.
Second row, likewise good. Baba sa 6, 77, 71. Seconds. A foul scored on number 24, pushing foul. 10.6 seconds remaining. That's your third personal foul. First row is good. McLaren. 8 seconds. Out. Turnover. 4.4 seconds remaining. Cortez ngayon. Cortez to Ripuja. Ripuja. Basket count. Official score 80-71. Lamang ng siyam ang Barangay Tambak. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Shout out po natin mga fans po ng Barangay Tambak.
Paalala.
Yan, nanonood po sila ngayon. Shout out po sa mga binibini ng Barangay Tambak. Nasa aking harapan po. Yan. Nandiyan po sila ngayon. Sinusuportahan.
Sangguniang Bayan members ng Bayan ng Malasigi, headed by Honorable Mayor Anthony Haslani. Also with Vice Mayor Alfie Soriano. Maraming salamat po sa pagbayad na gawin ng laro dito sa ACC every
Shout out po natin ulit si Sir Harry Jake na maging sponsor po ng Jollibee for tonight kapag nanalo daw po ang Barangay Tambak. Yan, salamat po Sir Harry Jake.
Seven to 1 our official score. Barangay Kabugatan for the basketball. This time on the sideline, inbound. Guy on Prias this time. Prias Bren, big pass on Lakwada, fires the three. Almost still, but saves on Prias again. Prias pa rin. The guy sa ilalim, that is a 2 points. But we have a save ball. Now on contestant number 14, the guy up Gilida number 18. Gilida na yan. To Alcantara number 6, Alcantara number 29, so ilalim. That is a normal dribble on jersey number 29 on Alcantara. On the sideline, inbound on Prias to Doria. Doria this time on jersey number 4. Strongly guarded by Galido. Babalik on Prias. Push by Lampi, and that is the 3 points on Prias. Medyo malayo yun, 80-76. 4 na puntos na lang. Nabitawag pa, fast break. Rias pa rin, titig yung papalikod. That is a 2 points. Now on the test, number 14, bigay ang Alcantara number 29. Alcantara pa rin. That he could not say foul. On jersey number 2. That is his second personal foul on jersey number 2. Alcantara number 6. The guy on Galido number 18. Now Alcantara number 29. Last in the middle, easy one. Pero mahuhuli. Prias pa rin. Pero guys, it's a traveling violation. Gilida, number 18, strong Igana ng Lakwada. Lasing Alcantara, number 29, that is 2 points on Alcantara. This time on number 4 on Doria. Starting a play, looking for our receiver, strongly guarded. Prias, that is a no good. Back to Prias. Again, isa pa, no good. Alcantara, now on Gilido. Pupuelo picks, mapupulot. This time on Doria. Doria Parade. Same ball tayo, that is the same ball. Last 7 minutes and 58 seconds. This is the fourth and final quarter. Now number 4, inside pass, La Cuata, basket down, at nagpasabit pang foul on jersey on number 17. That is your second personal foul on jersey number 17 on Alcarado. We have a substitution, please. That is the basket, 82-81, our official score. Isang puntos na lang ang kalamangan para sa Barangay Tambak. Gilido, setting a play, looking for our receiver, bigay on Cortez. Gilido, that is a no good, defensive rebound. Prias, diniskate ang Prias. Prias pa rin. Bigay on La Cuata. No good, pop back, again. That was a shot. At bola mapupunta para sa Barangay Tambak. Last 7 minutes, 27 seconds. Shutting a play on Galida. Bigay naman on Cortez, number 14 to number 8. Alcantara. Pipihit sana pero natapig na. Prias, sasakto ba ang Prias? Masyadong malakas. That is a league violation. Timeout on Barangay Tambak. Last 7 minutes and 9 seconds of the time remaining. This is a fourth and final quarter. And now back to the bogey. Last 7 minutes and 9 seconds of the time remaining. This is the fourth and final quarter. 82-81 our official score, and 1 point lead na lang para sa Barangay Tambak. On Prias, sideline rebound. 2, Guzman, number 2. Campo naman. Subukin, no good. Now on Alcantara, strongly guarded si Alcantara. That he grabs a foul on jersey number 2. That is your third personal foul on the Guzman, jersey number 2. This time on Cortez, number 14. Bigay naman on number 29. Fires the three, fires the 3 points on Cortez. Now number 24, the guy on the side, number 26, Ocampo. Pero nahulihan si Ocampo. Bigay, that is a wrong pass. 85-81. Balik sa apat na putos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Tambak. Still Cortez. Pero bola mapupunta para sa Barangay. Okay. Lagi po namin sinasabi sa inyo, okay, kung sino man ang gagawa ng gulo sa paligang ito, buong team po ang tatanggalin namin. Lagi niyo po yan tatandaan, buong team ang tatanggalin. Double surgical on jersey number 8 para sa Barangay Tambak. On jersey number 4 para sa Barangay Kabugatan. Tactical on Cerezo for second motion. Give a 1 free throw para sa Barangay Kabugatan. I'm sorry, ang Tambak. On number 4, you have a 5 fouls fouled out of jersey number 4. Okay, 1 for disqualification doon sa dalawang na-chantinal on number 8 and number pati po si Cerezo kasama. Last 6 minutes and 28 seconds. No good para tactical free throw at bola ay mapupunta ang Barangay Kabugatan. Kabugatan for the basketball this time. Design Montoya. Starting a play in Doria. That is still on Cortez, number 8, Cortez, still on number Cortez. No basket, then we have a foul on jersey. On number 14, there is a guilty on the pushing foul. Okay, alalay lang po tayo sa paglaro. That is your forward personal foul on number 14. Cortez, that is no good on the first throw. Now on the second free throw. This time on the second throw, that is a pass that is entirety. We have been self-sufficient, please. Who's out? On our counter number 6. Back in the ball game on review, number 55. This time Ocampo has great better Matthew Bullet on review guy, strongly guided the review guy. The guy on the test, number 14, Gelino.
Bang, bang, bang.
No good, that is a 2 strong for 3. Trias na yan. Trias pa rin, on number 3. Matthew Guzat for the steal, review guy, 2, the test. Big guy on Alcantara, 2 points. Trias naman. No good. Put back, Juan Ocampo, no good. Napigan. Cortez ang magkakapulat ng number 14. Repeat na yan. But we have a foul on jersey. On number 24, that is a blocking foul. On number 24 is fouled out 5 fouls on number 24. Time out para sa Barangay Kabulgatan. Time out.
Po, nakakulat po ang tambak. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Tapos na lang sa last quarter. Kaya pa yung time out. Penalty lang na. Penalty lang na.
Not yet in penalty. There's a warning on penalty. Okay, Sir Joel.
Galingan nyo, Barangay Tambak, sayang ang Gatorade.
Ang bagal nila ba? 5 minutes and 38.2 seconds of the fourth quarter. Next game.
Okay, we have a technical for the proper attire and the acting codes on Tropang Kabulgatan. Okay, siya ang nag-represent ng coach, siya ang nagbibigay ng ating time-out card kanina. Kaya, we have a technical. Lagi po natin ang ginagawa before mag-start ang ating game. We have a technical on the proper attire for the acting coach on Barangay Kabulgatan. That is a basket for the technical brief now. Penalty situation, and that is a penalty.
Warning lang ba, ma'am, pare?
Okay, we have timeout and i-announce po yan lahat. Just wait for announcement kung may free throw na para sa ating penalty or not. Please lang, just wait for announcement. And now back to the ball game, please. Okay, back to the ball game. Nangangalahati na tayo. Last 5 minutes and 38 seconds. Five the game. Barrel sa basket and blue. This time on the top of Prias. Ang tatagap. Prias naman to back to Campos. Lasing Camino dahil sa 2 points. 92-83. Medyo matagal-tagal pa yan. Alcantara number 29. Setting the play. Hindi kayang mo pag-apir. Refuda. Barrel sa no good. Defensive rebound. Laguada. Back to Octapos. Saves the ball. Bigay naman. Barrel sa no good. Contest number 8. On contest this time. That is the basket on contest. Pass play from Goria. Goria to the plate. Napix. Basket. 2 times to Goria.
Abalang.
94. 85 our official score. Ang Kantara number 29. The guy on number 14, Cortez. Cortez on number 8. Using the clock now on Barangay Tambak. Number 29. But he collects a foul on jersey on number 2. That is your 4th personal foul on jersey number 2. Guilty on the holding foul on jersey number 2. First throw, that is no good this time for the second free throw. Isa ng Ocampo. Ocampo, batay si Cortez. Ocampo, dadaan. Pero may foul na on jersey. Gonna see foul number. On number 55, that is Rebuda. That is your 4th personal foul on number 55. For the 3rd team foul. Last 4 minutes and 16 seconds. 95-85, but that is a league violation. 95-85 official score at 10 puntos pa rin ang abante. Design Galido. On Galido. Iiwan para kay Cortez number 14. So Cortez number 8. Setting a play, looking for the receiver. Almost still and still not. Prias ngayon. That is something good. Pinulang. Cortez on number 8. Cortez. No good. 6 the ball. Laguata now. Dahil sa basket ang Laguata. Last 3 minutes and 44 seconds. But he collects a foul on number 14. He collects a foul. That is your first personal foul on Cortez, number 14. For the 14th foul also. Last 3 minutes and 41 seconds. 96. Kasama number 2 on the baseline inbound. Baseline on jersey number 2. Looking for our receiver. Tatanggap on Goria. Setting a play. Bigay on number 2 again. That is another. Nasa ilalim ang Ocampo. Single pa rin kaya. That is a single. Last 3 minutes and 31 seconds. The guy on Ocampo, number 26. Follows the 3 points on Ocampo, number 26. 95-90. Lima na lang. Alcantara now. Alcantara, setting the play. Cortez to Galido. Iiwan para kay Galido. Galido ba yan? Strongly guarded by the German Lagoria. That he could have a foul on number 14. Penalty situation, there is a penalty. On number 14, 5 fouls on number 14. Five fouls on number 14. And the 30 substitution, Goria ang ipapalit. This time, on the last row, that is a major Gaza. That is a good Lakwata of Campo number 26. Of Campo pa rin. Of Campo. Of Campo Kinunang. Refusa. Bigayan dito. That is a trampling violation. Last 2 minutes, 53 seconds. 95-90 pa rin ang ating nasa talahan at 5 puntos pa rin para sa Barangay Tapak. On Prias number 3. Bigay.
Ay, patay.
That is the 3 prize for number 26. Dalawa na lang, 95-93. Last 2 minutes, 35 seconds. Pero may foul na sumabit ang jersey. On number 3. That is the Prias. That is your second personal foul on Prias. 2 free throws now on Alcantara, number 29. Brazil carries the basket this time for his second free throw. Style Aquata number 20. Almost steal by Alcantara. That is still on Cortez. Cortez around there. Beautiful Cortez at number 14. Going up in. But we have a foul on jersey number 55. 5 fouls yan on number 55. Penalty situation. Both teams are in penalty now. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Chris Ray got his basket from Doria, number 11. This time for the second free throw. Second row. That is a basket, 2-2. 98-95 pa rin. Tatlo na lang. Alcantara now. Looking for a receiver. Dito ulit. Bigay ang Gilito number 18. Gilito. Ball shot. Third shot from Gilito.
Guwapo, Bobs.
Last 2 minutes. Basket. Bigay sa number 20. Ang Lakwata. Tatlo pa rin yan, 197. Safe ball kaya, that is a safe ball on Barangay Tapak. Yung mga players, maupo po kayo, nakatayo lang dyan sa inyong mga fans sa ito. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. Bigay. On the test, number 8, the test pa rin. Bigay sa ilalim ang Alcantara para sa 2-5. That is a Lucas Day handle. Susunugin na ang last time out para sa Barangay Kabugatan.
Basta-basta na 5. May 1 video. Kaya sa 1 video. Ano tayo makala? Nawala ng kakasa. Daniela pala. Daniela pala.
And now back to the bogey. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. 102-97 official score. 5 puntos. Ang abante para sa team ng Barangay.
Yan, time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds. The last and fourth quarter na po.
Tatagap at mahuhuli. Okay, to wrap up, Barangay Kabulgatan for the basketball. Ocampo number 26. Ocampo pa rin. Dadaan si Ocampo. Dahil sa David. Labas. Prias. Dahil sa shoot. Ocampo pa rin. Dahil sa basket people. Ate Guzman. Esther Gaya. Mau Ocampo. No good. Tapitan. Mapupulot. Ocampo na. Jersey.
Tim Mayor ay pila sa Tim Mayor lang. Tim Mayor ay Clyde.
Okay, we have a foul on jersey number 3. On Prias, that is your third personal foul on Prias.
Grabe, napakaganda po ng laro ng Barangay Tambag at Barangay Kabulgatan. Yan. Para na rin kayo nanood ng finals ng King Philip. Grabe, napakadaming tao kahit anong oras na po ngayon.
This time on number 2. De Guzman to Goya, bigay Prias, pasa, Prias, catch para sa Barangay Kabulgatan.
Time remaining is only 1 minute and 10 seconds po. 1 minute and 10 seconds time remaining in the last quarter na po. 1 minute and 10 seconds na lang.
Pada inbound ng Barangay Tambag. Baseline inbound ng Cortez. Bigay naman ang Candela sa area number 29. Bigay ang number 6. Man to man to Giliga. 10 seconds to shoot. Lilipat ang Giliga. No basket, pero may foul on jersey. On jersey number 2. On jersey number 2, that is a 5 fouls. Fouled out from jersey number 2.
Sino kaya ang mananalo? 103-99. Minute time.
Apat lang po yan, mahaba-haba pa po. 53.6 seconds. Time remaining is 53.6 seconds po ang nalalabing oras dito po sa fourth and last quarter.
And back to the bogey. Both teams, number timeout in both teams. Last 53.6 seconds. First row, that is the basket. Balik ulit sa 5 ang Kalamangan para sa Barangay Tambak. This time on the second row, that is a likewise good 3 out of 2. This time on Doria pa rin, number 11. Dadaan ang Doria, number good. Pero naman, tuguyan ang Alcantara. That he connects a foul in jersey on number 11. That is in Doria. That is your second personal foul in Doria. Last 44.8 seconds. Here's the basket and Alcantara, number 29. Now for the second free throw.
Yan, 7 po ang Kalamangan ng Barangay Tambak. 44.8 seconds na lang po.
That is the basket also. Last 44 seconds. That is the basket, 2 points is good. Fires it away. Last 30 seconds. Last 20 seconds.
Yan, congrats po Barangay Tambak for winning the game for tonight.
Last 12 seconds. Last 5 seconds. That is the basket for the last shot on the blue guys of the test. And shake hands on both teams, please. Shake hands on both teams. And congratulations para sa ating Barangay Tambak. Kayo panalo sa laro nito, and our best player of the game, our Bida player of the game. You deserve this jersey. Number 18, Angelino. Ikaw ang ating Bida player of the game. At award the medal of best player of the game, we call Mr. Ruben Sanchez. Kayo po ang mag-award ng ating medal. Papunta sa gitna ng court si Galido, jersey number 18 please. Okay, dito ang bench ng Barangay Lipa. Dito ang bench ng Barangay Lipa. At dito naman ang bench ng Barangay Alagan sa kabila. Ang Barangay Lipa dito. Muli, congratulations to our Bida player of the game of jersey number 18 on Mr. Gulido. Ikaw ang ating Bida player of the game. At ang buong team ng Barangay Tambak, pakisuot ng maayos sa inyong jersey. Please take a picture kasama ang inyong coach and managers please. Okay, pakisuot ng maayos ang jersey of both teams before you make a warm-up. Kailangan naka-jersey na kayo ng maayos, please.
Amal namin babagang brown. Kaya na sunod ako yung susang ko. Yan ako yung sato. Nagkatara ba picture ka?
Ano na kala? Kaya, ano na kala? Sulit mo nito yung cellphone mo, tabalo. Para naasa.
Okay, pakisuot na jersey ng maayos sa Barangay Alacan. Pwede po, mag-warm up lang yung mga players. Yung mga bata pwede lumabas sa ating court.
Nabawi